Hey everybody, Brian Ray here with Team Samson. I've got one of the new Samson SX rails and a double star 3GR that has the old Evo on it. I'm going to show you how quick it is to change out. This is the first one of these I put on, so if I flub any of this, there's always editing. I'm going to start with a 3/4 inch wrench to take the existing muzzle brake off. And then loosen the clamps on the Evo rail. Got my assistant Lita, the German Shepherd, here helping me. That was not me that just burped. Gonna have to pull it out of the block though to get to the clamp screw. I have put on probably somewhere in the neighborhood of a dozen Evos before, so that is almost like tying my shoe. But the new SX rail just came out. I got it a couple days ago, I think, in the mail. So we'll see how easy it is to go on. The new rail does have a proprietary barrel nut, so we'll have to change out the milspec barrel nut that the Evo uses. And depending on how tight it was when I put it on, that may take a little bit of cussing. Alright, there's the existing rail off. Now we will remove the gas block. Gas block, gas tube, and forgot to get my barrel nut wrench out. Not too tight. No need to remove the actual barrel from the receiver. And that is the new nut. It's got castles cut in this end to interlock with the wrench supplied with the rail, and this surface is knurled. It will fit inside the new tube. There is no indexing. The instructions are very specific that all you need is 30 to 80 foot-pounds. And because that is such a wide range, and I like even numbers, I'm going to use 50 foot-pounds. Right there. One-time use wrench included with the rail. Alright, we got the new nut on. Time to put the existing gas block and gas tube back in. I'm a big fan of using an eyeball instead of fancy equipment. Gas block secured. Next, take the new rail. A little close-up of it. You can see it's got integral QDs in the rear, M-lock slots down the side, so you can put one out front anywhere you want. The screws at the bottom have a clamp that's internal to the rail. You can just make it out. It is a smaller diameter than the Evo. So you want to check, make sure your gas block is not going to touch. Oh, that's nice and tight. we have good clearance on the gas block. So now we get to figure out which screw fits, or which bit. Again, I have a problem getting to the screws with my vice mounted where it's at. This one is self-centering, so all you got to do is make sure that you are tight against the receiver. I'm going to snug these up first. Very nice. That is an 18-inch barrel with a 15-inch SX. And all we have left is to put the comp back on. And this is Double Star's Bullseye comp. You can see from the green, it's been used quite a bit. It's a very effective comp. But the truth is that practice makes a much bigger difference in how the rifle handles than any compensator on the market. Overtimed it just a little. Alright, and you can see from the clock 7 minutes and 5 seconds, and I wasted some time looking for some tools. So changing the rail out from a Evo, use milspec barrel nut, to the new SX that uses a proprietary, less than 10 minutes. Thanks for watching.